Good morning. It's Miss Donna. And guess what, guys? I'm in the woods. No, I'm not in the woods. I'm actually on the farm, but I'm in what is called the cow pasture. So that's why you see all this greenery behind me, because I'm live and in the woods. And this is supposed to keep the mosquitoes away, which so far so good. But this morning I wanted to give you a treat, but because I'm not my cousin, the animals are not acting right. So I've been shaking their feed, but because they don't know me, they won't come to the fence. How about that? So I'm shaking and I'm shaking and I'm shaking. They won't come to the fence. So I'm going to have to turn the camera around so that hopefully, because y'all, I ain't going in this fence. That's what I can tell you. But I'm going to turn the camera around and hopefully you can see the cows. They lay down. But hopefully you can see there's one standing up. And the other three, they laid down on me. So I wanted you guys to see the cows in the pasture and the bugs that are bothering me. This is what happens when you visit the country. And this is what happens when you go live and animals don't always cooperate with you. So I hope you guys are having a great morning. And I'm going to get from out here because I'm scary. Okay? Yes. And people are going to start waving. That's another thing. When you're down south, everybody knows you. So everybody, you have to wave at all the people. But I am so upset because I wanted you to have I wanted him to come to the fence. But those are the cows laying down back there. I'm going to try it again later. I might just have to video it with my phone later and give you guys a up close and personal view of the cows in the pasture. Because like right now, they're not cooperating. And this is what it looks like down south in the country. You got woods. Got their little shed over in the corner and things. All right. Well, I will see you guys soon and very soon. Matter of fact, I'll see the Redmonds in a little bit. All right. Talk to you later. Bye-bye. Have a great one.